Hey everyone, welcome back to Fast and Fun English. I'm Anna.
And I'm Leo. Great to see you again.
Today, we're going to talk about something that surprises a lot of English learners.
Yes, it's a big secret that many teachers don't talk about enough.
The secret rhythm of English.
How to sound fluent, even if your grammar isn't perfect.
Exactly, because fluency isn't about speaking like a robot.
It's about speaking with rhythm, with flow, with music.
That's why native speakers sound smooth, even when they make grammar mistakes.
Wait, you mean even native speakers make mistakes?
All the time. They just keep talking.
You know, a lot of learners think fluency means perfect grammar.
Yes, they try so hard to remember every rule: past tense, present perfect, conditionals.
And then when they speak, they freeze.
Right. Their brain becomes too busy correcting, not communicating.
But real fluency isn't about perfection. It's about connection.
Beautifully said. When you speak with rhythm and confidence, people understand you, even if your grammar isn't 100% right. Yes, because English is a sound-based language. It has music.
And once you feel that rhythm, your words start to dance.
So, what do we mean by rhythm in English?
It's the pattern of stress and unstress, the beat of the language.
Like music, right? Some words are strong, some are soft.
Exactly. For example, in the sentence, I want to go to the store.
We don't say it like a robot. I want to go to the store. We say it like this: I want to go to the store.
Hear that rhythm? It flows. The rhythm helps you sound natural.
Even if your grammar isn't perfect, people understand your emotion and meaning.
Because rhythm carries feeling.
Let's test this idea.
Okay.
Imagine someone says, "Yesterday, I go to supermarket."
The grammar is wrong. It should be went.
But if they say it with the right rhythm and confidence, "Yesterday, I go to the supermarket," people still understand.
Yes, because the meaning is clear. The rhythm carries it.
But if someone says, "Yesterday, I went to the supermarket," slow, flat, and nervous, it sounds unnatural, even if the grammar is perfect.
That's the magic. Sound matters more than structure.
So fluency is not about words, it's about music.
You know why rhythm is so powerful?
Tell me.
Because the human brain loves patterns.
Oh, yes. When you speak with rhythm, the listener's brain follows you easily.
That's why songs are easy to remember. They have rhythm.
And that's why English conversations are easier to follow when you speak with flow.
Even if you forget a word or use wrong grammar, rhythm keeps you connected.
Exactly. It's like a bridge. Rhythm helps meaning travel smoothly.
Okay, let's get practical.
Sure.
English is a stress-timed language.
Which means
It means that important words, the content words, get the beat.
like nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs.
Yes. For example, I like big dogs.
The stress is on like and dogs.
Not on I or big.
That's why we don't say, "I like big dogs," evenly. We say, "I like big dogs."
That's rhythm.
If you want to sound natural, focus on the strong beats.
And let the small words flow softly between.
Many learners make one big mistake. They try to pronounce every word clearly and equally.
Yes, but English doesn't like balance. It likes contrast.
Exactly. Some words should be light. Some should be strong.
That's what makes it musical.
Also, many learners pause too much.
They stop to think about grammar.
But when you stop too often, the rhythm dies.
And then your fluency disappears.
So, what's the solution?
Keep talking. Even if you make mistakes, keep the rhythm moving.
Think music, not grammar. Let's talk about something fun. How native speakers connect words.
Ah, yes, the famous wanna, gonna, and gotta.
Those are examples of connected speech.
For example, want to becomes wanna.
Going to becomes gonna.
Got to becomes gotta.
These forms are not wrong, they're natural.
They help the rhythm flow. For example, I'm going to eat lunch. I'm gonna eat lunch.
That sounds smoother and faster.
If you speak this way, you'll sound more like a native speaker.
Even if your grammar isn't perfect, your rhythm will carry you.
One of the best ways to improve your rhythm is to listen.
Listen to how people really talk. Watch movies, podcasts, YouTube videos, not just textbooks.
Textbook English is often slow and clear. Real English is full of rhythm and emotion.
Yes, try shadowing. Repeat what you hear at the same speed and tone.
Like singing along with the speaker.
At first, it's hard, but soon your mouth learns the beat.
That's how actors and interpreters train, by listening and repeating.
Rhythm becomes part of you.
I've met learners who know every grammar rule.
Me too. They can explain tenses better than I can.
But when they speak, it sounds slow and flat.
Because grammar without rhythm is like dancing without music.
Perfect! That's exactly it.
English isn't math. It's art.
You can have small grammar mistakes and still sound amazing if you have rhythm.
But if you sound robotic, even perfect grammar won't save you.
So don't chase perfection, chase connection.
Let's give our listeners a small rhythm exercise.
Great idea.
Take this sentence. I don't know what to do.
Now, don't say it word by word.
Say it like this. I don't know what to do.
That's how native speakers really sound.
It's faster, smoother, and full of flow.
Try recording yourself saying it.
Compare your version with a native speaker.
Don't focus on grammar, focus on music.
Soon, your mouth will learn to move naturally.
And you'll sound fluent without even thinking about rules.
Can I tell you a quick story?
Of course.
When I first learned English, I was obsessed with grammar. I wanted every sentence to be perfect.
I can imagine.
But when I met native speakers, they spoke so fast, I couldn't understand.
Because you were listening for grammar, not rhythm.
Exactly. I wanted to hear every word clearly, but English doesn't work that way.
It's like listening to a song. You don't hear every instrument separately.
Yes, you feel the beat.
So what changed?
I started watching sitcoms and repeating the dialogues. I didn't care about grammar, just rhythm.
And?
In a few months, my speaking became smoother. I made mistakes, but people said, "You sound fluent."
That's the secret. My best advice, stop thinking, start flowing.
That's catchy.
When you talk, don't think of words as pieces. Think of them as waves.
Waves?
Yes, English moves in waves, up and down, fast and slow.
I like that.
Feel the wave, write it, let your voice move.
That's rhythm.
It's not about sounding perfect, it's about sounding alive.
let's do a small shadowing practice for everyone listening.
Sure. Repeat after us.
How are you doing today?
How you doing today?
I'm going to the store.
I'm gonna go to the store.
Do you want to get coffee?
Want to get coffee?
Notice how smooth it feels.
Yes, the grammar changed a little, but the rhythm makes it sound natural.
Practice these every day for 5 minutes.
You'll feel the flow faster than you expect.
I think many learners lose confidence because they wait until their grammar is perfect.
True, but perfection never comes.
Fluency starts with competence, not correctness.
You have to trust yourself.
When you speak with rhythm, even small mistakes sound charming.
Exactly. People feel your energy.
And that's what communication is about. Energy, emotion, connection.
Grammar supports that, but rhythm delivers it.
So, what's the real secret of sounding fluent?
Speak with rhythm, not fear.
Feel the music of the language.
Don't focus on every S, ED, or ING. Focus on the flow.
Fluency is not perfection, it's performance.
Like dancing, you don't stop every time you make a small mistake. You keep moving.
Yes, and the more you move, the smoother it gets.
The secret rhythm of English isn't something you memorize. It's something you feel.
And once you feel it, you'll never go back to study-only English.
Let's end with 3 quick tips.
Okay.
Number 1, listen more than you read.
Number 2, copy native rhythm, not just vocabulary.
Number 3, record yourself often. Rhythm rolls with feedback.
Beautiful.
And remember, even if your grammar is not perfect, your voice can still shine.
Yes, English is not about being perfect. It's about being understood.
That's it for today's episode of Fast and Fun English.
We hope this helps you relax and enjoy the music of English.
Remember, grammar builds your foundation, but rhythm builds your fluency.
So go practice your English rhythm today.
Feel the beat. Speak with flow.
And never let perfection stop your progress.
Thanks for watching, and see you next time.
Bye, everyone.